Hey, how's it going everybody? It's Jamie. So I've been really busy lately with a bunch of crazy projects. Everything from working on a comic book fundraising thing to doing some picture shoots and things like that. You know, using my law degree in all sorts of interesting ways. So I figured I'd, bring you in on one of the shoots. So if you want to know what I've been up to lately, take a look.
Now she's moving. Okay, this has to be done very quickly.
You're right.
It's okay.
There you go.
It's okay.
This is the bottom of her. There you go. Now you got her. All right. All right, Jamie.
All right, quiet on set.
Get up.